We are a research website where consumers come to Cars.com and we have millions of vehicles, view and news on the website. We started our business obviously from a desktop or a wired computer. And since then, the media industry and consumers have changed quite a bit. So where you used to go and sit down in a website and search for a vehicle, now you might search for a vehicle, but then you might send your information to your mobile phone and you might show up on then a dealer's lot to buy that car. So given the changes in consumers' shopping behavior around vehicles and the changes in how consumers utilize technology in that process, we're going to be talking about how Cars.com has innovated around consumers. But how we make revenue, how we drive revenue is that we then offer dealers advertising products. So to dealers, we're a digital media company, or what they call us is a automotive marketplace. So while we're innovating around consumers, sometimes that actually provides a very challenging discussion with our dealers, our customers, because they're not always in the same kind of mindset that we are. We'll talk a bit about attribution and how you do look at kind of the digital media and how you attribute value to that. And I think most marketers have tensions that they have to manage between two audiences that are always pulling at each other. So I think, we'll talk about that too, and hopefully folks can walk out with a better view of how we've managed it and can bring some of that information back to their own marketing groups.